When I returned to Switzerland, my garden has become a lush, untamed jungle. I could barely walk through it. I rolled up my sleeves, cleared the overgrowth, trimmed back the wild ivy, and lovingly planted seeds of vegetables and flowers. Watching them grow has been deeply healing. And now, surprise! After my return from Mount Shasta, everything has burst into bloom and fruits. It feels like the most beautiful gift for life itself. Truthfully, I wasn't always a natural gardener, but something changed in 2021. During the blue moon alignment at Mount Shasta with the Yosoy family, that was when I first felt a profound connection with Mother Earth's Gaia. Since then, everything I plant flourishes. I'm endlessly grateful for this sacred relationship with nature, with the mountains, and with the ancient trees. Today, many live in survival mode, disconnected from the heartbeat of the earth. This disconnection leads us to forget, and sometimes harm what sustains us. But Gaia is awakening. As she purifies through nature shifts and storms, we're invited to return to reverence, to remembrance. My recent journey to Mount Shasta deepened this calling in me to help others come home to nature, home to themselves. Let's return together. Walk barefoot on the grass. Dip your feet in rivers and lakes. Breathe deeply in the forest and let fresh air fill your soul. And perhaps bring a little nature into your home. Even one small potted plant on the windowsill can spark a joy that you didn't know you were missing. The earth is alive, and when we remember her, she remembers us.